Alright guys, we have everything buttoned up and ready to go. So we are half a mile away from the Smog shop. We're going to see if he can get us fit in and see if we pass. Later, Phil. Alright guys, we passed California smog emissions testing and the evap test with flying colors. All of that hard work paid off, and now we get to enjoy the Landcruiser. So tomorrow I will be taking my smog test certification showing passed, and we'll get some tags to put on these license plates. And that'll be the first time we get a new set of tags on this since 1997. Anyways, I'm stoked about it, and I can't wait to get some seat time without having to worry about getting pulled over. Alright guys, well man, if you've watched all the videos from beginning to end, I appreciate it. This has been a long journey, but I'm glad we passed California smog legally, did everything right. It's going to pass smog in the future. We crossed all our T's, dotted all of our I's, and passed with flying colors. So now we can get our tags, we can get it insured properly for its stated value, and we'll get some seat time behind the wheel, whether it be to local car shows or off-roading, which is the plan. So drop a comment below. Should I put this thing in the dirt, or should we keep it nice and clean? What do you think?